Welcome to the StrategyQuant software installation guide within the AI Algo Lab course. First, visit the course homepage and scroll to the bottom where you will find download buttons for each operating system. In this video, I show the Windows installation, but you can also choose the Mac or Linux version. In the description below this video, you can find video instructions for these operating systems. Now, simply click on the button and wait for it to download. Once the download is done, extract the containing folders and run the software. Now, you can bump into a warning from a Windows firewall on the way, but do not worry at all. Allow the software to run. StrategyQuant exists for more than 13 years and everything is 100% safe. Wait for StrategyQuant to install and get your license number ready. Installation may take a while, so please be patient. Then just enter your license number and run the program. Again, grab a coffee and give it a little time, as the first run may take a few minutes. Now, a very important task waits you. Setting up CPU and memory, because to make the backtests that StrategyQuant generates as accurate as possible, the strategies are stored in memory. So, if you skip this step, you may find that StrategyQuant freezes, crashes, and just doesn't work as it should. This settings is especially important for mediocre and weaker devices. In the top right corner, click on the cogwheel and immediately click on the first configuration option. As far as the CPU is concerned, we always recommend leaving one core for the user interface to keep it running briskly, but you can set less if you want and need. The most important setting now is memory. I recommend that if you have 8 GB of memory in your computer or laptop, that you set the maximum memory to 3 GB. If you have 16 GB of memory or more, you can let the program set the maximum memory. And if you have 64 GB of memory, I recommend setting the really maximum memory to 50 GB to leave enough space for the operating system itself. Because if it didn't have enough space to function comfortably, again, the whole device would probably freeze up or crash. To apply the memory setting changes, click Save and restart StrategyQuant to let the changes take effect. If you have any problems, for example, if the software crashes or is otherwise unstable, please proceed as follows. Open the folder in which you have StrategyQuant installed and locate a user folder followed by a log. Grab the log folder in an archive and send it to us at support@strategyquant.com along with a detailed description of your problem, and we will do our best to help you resolve the issue as soon as possible. Now that you have StrategyQuant set up correctly, let's build strategies with just one click. If this is your first time seeing StrategyQuant and you want to know more about its functions, click the link below this video to watch a quick tour. For all the following videos, stay tuned and don't forget to give us like and follow.